Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. In this video we will learn how to recover your desktop icons of Windows 11. By default when you install Windows 11, so these icons will be not appear on your desktop. Let me show you my desktop. Here you can see that I don't have these icons on my desktop of Windows 11. So how we will recover or bring it on our desktop? For that purpose, let's start the video. Right click on desktop. Now click on personalize. Now here click on themes. Now here you will find this option desktop icons setting. Click on it. Now here these are the icon options. Just mark it. Okay, I have marked all the icons. Now click on apply. Now okay. Now let's see our desktop. As you can see, desktop icons have been appeared on our desktop. With this method you can recover your desktop icons of Windows 11 after fresh installation. You can find more interesting and useful videos in my channel. Just visit and watch my videos, which is very interesting and useful for your devices, I'm sure. So stay connected for more interesting and useful videos. Make sure you like, share this video and comment if you have any problem. Comment me under the video section in the comment section and I will reply inshallah. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any notification of my new videos.